Hello my friends, this is the Eidgenosse. Today I want to show you this special Pioneer. It's a group knife. The group is a Victorinox Schweizer Messergruppe. In English it's a Victorinox Swiss knife group. It's a very new group from Switzerland on Facebook. And the group was founded in 2018, and this is the first group knife of this group. Thanks to Roy for having the idea for this knife and managing that all the people can get one knife. It's a normal Pioneer in red, with a special blade. Here's the blade. This is the Swiss hero Wilhelm Tell with his tools. This is the year of the knife and of founding the group. And my number is 72, and 100 of these knives are produced by Victorinox with this style. I think it's a very, very nice blade. A very, very good idea of Roy. Yes. And then I think I have not to show you the other tools are normal tools, and with the keyring. Yes. This was a very short presentation of this group knife. I hope you enjoy this short video, and I wish you a very nice day.